Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super refreshing dish, king oyster mushroom salad. Look at this, light, colorful and full of flavor. Perfect for summer when you just don't feel like eating anything heavy. Alright, let's get started. First, slice your king oyster mushrooms into thick pieces. Once your water is boiling, place them in a steamer and steam for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are soft and juicy. While that's going, slice up some onion. Use a mandolin slicer to shred the carrot into thin, even strips. It's much faster than cutting by hand, and the carrot strips come out nice and uniform. Here is a handful of fresh cilantro and blanched wood ear mushrooms. Now let's make the dressing. Add some minced garlic and fresh chilies, and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Pour over some hot oil to sizzle everything. That smell is incredible. Then season it with 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons black vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a tablespoon sesame oil, half a tablespoon Sichuan pepper oil, and 1 tablespoon chili oil. Mix it all up. This dressing smells amazing already. By now, the mushrooms should be done steaming. Take them out and let them cool for a bit. Once they are cool enough to handle, tear them into thin strips by hand. This way they soak up the flavors much better than when cut. Try to squeeze out any excess water from the mushrooms, so your salad isn't watery. Now toss everything together. Mushrooms, onions, wood ear, carrots, cilantro. Pour in that fragrant dressing, and use your hands to mix it all up until every piece is coated with flavor. Now look at that, beautiful colors and glossy sauce. This cold dish is the ultimate summer appetizer. Pair it with a cold drink or a beer, and trust me, even on the hottest day, you will have your appetite back in no time. Let me give it a try. So fragrant, crisp, and refreshing. Every bite's got a little crunch, a little spicy, and so much flavor. Healthy, delicious, and super easy to make. You've got to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.